And you ma me boy if you be my passimas and the latest song of the ababonte what to need say into my dying passimas and you way open be tia oko YouTube oko Spotify oko iTunes oko SoundCloud oko Audio Maker and you me a chego hodden den I was say into my dying say na what tia asase we so okukuru e wiase nneoma ni na abobo ye kasa bia kire wa wontie wa wo no woga wodi wi ase abaaye no wodi obi mbo ochem so obi nka wasem atemuda ba ogina bia wo he senne se wade nyankopon esane aba ogina bia e wo he fa hwe Odofo ene wonya bere enya adaje a wodi etie time with ohima ai nyankopon wonhyira no nya okese pa se ene wonya bere na oba betie eye ohima ene no se de medi kan kan no enkomo bebre wo ho a ye ba bedie eno nti bomoden ase se wo ba ada ana wo ba ena ya bomoden ase mema wo ba na ada. Today we are coming to talk about sex and marriage. Yababe kasa afa sebi sex and marriage ho ensem bebere twagu mechia madofofo nyina amaba line so nyina mechia all the nation family members mechia obi bia waba line so mepacho oba so a na wa share video no na odofo bi so ensa etimi akabi eno nti oba mepacho bomodin ase oso be share ene ye besua de bebere ene ye bedi nkomo ene ye be chensem bebere enti mepacho wo ha ene wo hu se ohima matana makonwa iso de na eye ensem ene ye ba be pensem mu na afi ye tutututu ye hofo enti me pacho obaso a na wabomoden na wa share video no ama wodofo bia na no invite obi ama no abaso. God bless you as you join me tonight. I am say London about say 1 o'clock in London, and I think it is 12 o'clock in Ghana. Europe for I think it's 2 na America for the more time no more fan chemi na say more time no me sheda any more time na be time abo sisia ewo America. Yo, today topic is about sex and marriage. nenne enye me nko na medi dwumadie yi me wo me nua ba bia oye TV presenter. She talks on also so a woman advocate or kasa for sex and marriage ho nti enne no me wo anipa titirufo a enne ye ne wo mo baba be ye live video nti me pa cho bo mode ase obehye video no na odofo bi so ensa etimi akabi ene ye nua ba ye Sherry ye ne Sherry ebe twetwe enkomo ye ne ye difo ye Prophet Bismarck esusu bedi nkomo ena ye Bishop Nana Sapon ene be boot for boot to ha ene ye ka ne pain was ne pain nti me pa cho se wonim se obate wonchi abomodin aka kire ne se onkoda eno nti na me twen ya se ebebo 1 o'clock time enkola ni na ada because enya afi na ye bedi agro aware bebre egu which say ya issues eba ye nchen no aware na egu no se ye wurawura mu na ye busebusa the main reason tia ama oba waseme nwale biem oba obeka na ubeka wonu nsam bia oba yise me iso hema enya de aba ma no mo ka me ware ne biem da ubewura mu pa no na edie ntia yes empem bebre no enkrofo bebre ente aware ase. All what we know ne say marriage we've taken marriage to be adie bia ase a good die bi say obia peso ware na obia ware yafa aware sebi enkora agro bi enkora edi na ade sa obia beko ne fie akwakoda aware a yehu ne saa no enafom. One thing I was say obi biara odi hye wutirim wo aware ene wo awon ware ye bia no fa hye wutirim say aware enafom. Ena aware na wo kono soso no expect anything, expect bibia, expect ya ho kire, expect ya nijie, expect say ubenya ba ene say onwo. Understand? Aware na wo de ohu kowura mu no expect anything that comes out of it. Obi aware 10 years ni onwo da. Obi so worry ya 1 month wanyam. Obi aware ya promote ni kunu wadwuma mu. Obi so aware ama ni kunu adwuma asai. Baby ede, baby enyono. So wo de saade we hye wotirimu na so worry a de besi wa aware mu bia no enhyera anye onwa bebere. Se yenum bi e de saade ni hye yetirimu a enka aware gyaye enka emma. Siye no yesi su na ye ware ye no ene ye de aware hye yetirimu se aware na ye wure mu no bibia betimi asia maame ne papa enka bia enka ye nya aware enka nya abotre e de tena ho ehwe bebia aware no ebeka kudu. But the son said na ewo yetirimu se aware needs to be enjoyable. E was say be minimi kunu yete ye ho ase yetimi express ye ho aware enye se was me nana mada aware enye restrictions ne sa anoma no. Enti ye ware ye ne ye wura mu a ye kohu sa 1 or 2 things ase de wo be ya akwa ama obi wo ba be slave ama obi no na akwa koye ade bi ase enti me betena ware we hu forever and ever enti me baba betena be ma ba ko ho saa ma na ade me baba be som be ma ba ko saa be ma ba ko nkwa na me ne betena forever enye possible. Enti be hu se otoa na adwen bebre ba wotirim a time came ukunu kura di ukura na sebi mpreduasa na ne ho kura ye wahi won se oye nipa ba ko a woni ne tena won kwa na nina woye one person what choose no se wo pese woni ne tena onkwa na nina barade ba ko a e wo se wo sese ho ansana wakwa akware sa de ewe se bi be ma ba ko a obedi wa akope wiase awieye enti se wo kwa bonte na akohia be ma ne ho ofese wukuna na watwam ko se wo kwa bonten na akohu be ma bi so dress sin wukuna hwe na ankwaye wakono enu ntina mpem bebre ne ya ne ye ka se aware enya mirikatuo entutobo ase ne nya de ye wo pe se wo de ewiase nioma ekoso ana nioma ekoso abrabom e de amerikatuo ko wura aware mu sister wa hwe abebo adwaman wa aware mu wan hwe yi a na se Awurade Nyankopɔn anni wafofia obebo adwaman be ma foforo abedi wu because asa wote be ma baako ho na sebi sa be ma na da bia wono woda da bia wono woda da bia wono woda da bia wono woda da bia na wono woda no edie efono sebi edie na wodi wu na befono style sa oyiyi ma wono sa style na ebia no na da bia wa ya akokwa wo ebia ukunu dressing a wo dress munya wo ba akomienu no ate akofom enuoma asesa no ukwa bontin kohia be ma foforo se be ma na fa no hope bo se na akono ahyaase ye se ehbo awura wu. This is one thing that we all need to look at before we enter into marriage. Sabi memma wo bi ana emma peer pressure nti won fa America tuo enkonkowra warem abra wo time enso ye. Prepare yourself and get to know your spouse very well. Be ma bi wo hono ma obetimi di ni suban siewu. Sa na oba bi so hono no so betimi di ni suban siewu. Afa wo ko ware ni wiye no. There are some cases bia eba me ho a na wo hema na me yire na me nene twempena no. I was not seeing all these things, but me nene ware wiye no me hu me yira sesa me yire ntare hyemu sesa me yira ye say yes. It all happens and it has to happen. It will say see. The reason why in tia e was a san yoma we nyina esini say before se oni kwaku be tena se kwaku akuya ye pese ye ware ye pese ye tena baby faako ye pese ye bobra no one e was obi ahwe the negative side e was kwaku show akuya negative side e was akuya susu hwe kwaku negative side na sabi breduasa ohun se no akuya ye obi a ne koko e ha no two kwaku su ye obi a wo ye jealous pa three kwaku ye obi a cap odisi ha was fasi ha ye wo meme no bi wo no ma omo ya ahia sa ne wo man bu so no a omo so ya ahia ene ye wo ma bi wo ho no ma they don't like sex naturally no omo pedie me pa cho tie bibi me pa cho ba so a na wa bomode ana wa share video no ama odofo bi so ensa atimi akabi ye wo oba bi ho no ma naturally no she doesn't like sex on pedie sa so ne wo bebe bi wo no so a naturally no ono so on pedie enu nti no e wo se woni be ma ne tena se e bia wo be ma ya wo mpedie wakofo oba de bia wo nyanka na be ma ne di ne de bia mi kei e bia be ma yi wakofo oba wo nyanka de bia sa oba no na odi ne sa de bia no osi ne so no odi no na odi na no pa no odi na wia no ena oba no so yo obi a ompe sa de no into these two things no e be de na blend it together be ma akonya oba ni obi a ono so ye sex addict or per sex pa opedi pa se no be ma no so oba no so kofa no so a ono so be ma no so empedi sa. So now the two people na omo kwotena ware ni mu no, how are they going to blend things? E be de na ware no omo timia satisfy omo ho as couples. E be de na sabi obema na timia satisfy oba na opedi bebere no. E be de na be ma no so timia satisfy oba no so timia satisfy be ma no so pedie bebere. Yo be ma bi wo hono ma o styles in sex a ohia se oba oni ne have sex a wo de be ma no. Sa susu na be ma bi so hono ma o styles in sex a ohia. We are talking about marriage. Ohia se ne yira waware no so oba ne be de e de be ma no. But e bia wakohia be ma bi. Be ma no ne style pepa ene se obetena no so obeya cowgirl ebia na yiri so ware ni eyo obi a ne mu odwuru owoto owosere obi a owoto obi a enche na ne sisi eye ne ya obi a ne sere so bia no enche na se oya ade bia e de enforcement eba mu a mo se na ne sere agene bema isusu ye bema sabi opese oba ene ne da oba ne bedi ka tena no so no oba ne bu ne pa ansana whatever that they want to do no maye they say oba isu ni miye oba ye kakra bia na wabre oba tena bema no so 1 2 obu ne mu 1 2 na afei wabre na bema no so enya yanka oba ne be kɔ no more than the oye de okɔ no na because of satisfaction in sex intino na de bia problem. Sa na oba bi ho no ma opelekin opese be ma tafre na se ansa na be ma miamia ne no fo ansa na ne ho esane no ansa na be ma adi no e na be ma be so wo no ma ono so onye si wo ba so pe no odi no straight away onim how to romance a woman and how to make a woman feel for sex. What you see? And to these things, you know, and your ma cost marriages more. Ama and the divorces be are too much. And yes, sir, sometimes you know, you bet me with counselors be say marriage couples for any issue, they will come to you. You ask them, say, Bearman or bo, there be the old pet or farmer or ye be mammy. Bearman will do what them there be. What is the main issue? Jali jab bearmana, minim. See my bearman pie. Na ka wobane ne counselor ne nkwana counselor ne busa ne say, "Mommy, what is the main reason ti abese oja ukuna? Me kunu ntimi ndimi yi. Me kunu leke me. Me kunu no me nofo. Me kunu miamia me. Me kunu nim how to romance. Me kunu nim kwa obefa so a mema me ho asisi me ho so. Me kunu nim se me yere star we no per star say. Me kunu nim se ene no ye be di ye ho obaafo ye be di ye ho kitchen ye be di ye ho ha. Me kunu nim sa anema we nyina ye. Enti no me kunu no oba me nchen kra na me buafu. Enti I don't feel for sex around him. Obo se na oba na ye so much bold no aka the woman na a check counselor no because ono na wo tu ne fo no e na be hu how to handle this issue. A lot of issues are going round. Any pair worry day in and day out said ye ene obi bewu ene obi bewo sa na ene so obi be worry. But our na enkrofo ewure mu no, do they really understand what is marriage? And ye ka sex and only the main thing e wa worry mu ana. That is what we are coming to learn today. I have with me my sister Sherry, all the way from Ghana. She's a TV presenter and a sex coach or a sex coach. I watch it said ye beya ukunu ubetimi adia ho ama ukunu sabi wadi wi ama sabi ho abayi. Yes, and me wo me friend prophet prophet Bismarck so e ba so because the reason why ntia me de prophet ba so ne say and then obi yeso oja ware pe na asofo no na fama nyame na nyankopon asede na nyankopon asede we need to be truthful to our members. We need to be truthful. E wose ye kanokore. E wose ye kanokore. Me pomacho e wose ye kanokore. This is the time e wose ye kanokore niema adofo nina ehu se no marriage na yehu ne sa no enye agorobi marriage na yehu ne sa no enye sabi nkrobo bi. You know, I have with me two panels that we are going to discuss about this issue. Ntimi pacho obaswa bomodi amini say adiasa, but then obaswa bomodi say obe share video no na odofo ensa etimi akabi. Anaju ye babe kasa afa sex and marriage. What comes into your mind? What is sex wa ware mu ade na ba wotiri mu? What comes into your mind? I quite remember say me worry for front. Hello, Sherry.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, mommy, I want to say.
Yami adumo na unswe.
Nyankopon adumo bibia boko. You are welcome to my show. You are welcome. All life obi etio. Etiefo eto nkapa.
Yo, meda etiefo nyina ni ahwefo nyina se.
Amen.
Se omni yeah, so omajibre edi shey show yi. Meda OJ family fan club nyina se some ebre omuti sa show yi sa show yi. In fact, I want to tell everybody out there say so he is very educated. Na impempi no yet some de bebree. Emutitire pa any sex. Yes. Na so wo kom ma wo bebisa se wo de nti na ema awarefo bebree echiki. De nti na ema nipa ni nje wa aware mu nyama nketenkete obu antokwa nketenkete nyina. Ni nyina na free sex. Kombe na oba meka se o se de wo kan ye no. Me kunu ntumi ni miye. Me yu ntumi ni miye. Me chere ni se onye se osimi ntumi nye. Ena enye se osu Enti sana edi te se awareguo eba ebi so wo hono ma eni attitude na obey ya soa ne wa na so ne tiri so obey me so ni mu odenga obey so ni mu odenga. Let's get this clear here. Sex plays a major role in marriages and in a relationship in and as much as we one more so na say enya die unti na meko ware ye. Also they say a bonus. No. There's a survey say our real and I say a couple or many or mawari. It is mostly because of sex. If the sex good, the marriage is good. And yes, you can't go on. And then you may know our man. Sex makes people happy in relationships and in marriage. Into who are you? Oba, because oh, ma could do sex, and that's the way I can say, oh, ma, oba, ni who's sitting whoso.
So meaning that sex, no,
sex, no, yeah.
So does it mean say sex plays major roles in marriage?
Yes, sex plays a big and vital role in marriage.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Yatonka. Yatonka pa.
Sex plays a vital role in marriage. To say, you know, continent say utie in some and that's the reason people get divorced. That 70% now is because of sex.
Hey, Ghana network, you know, higher adrenaline. Ghana network, you know, is giving us problems. But then no, I don't say the network, you know, will come
on. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello, Sherry, Yatonka.
It's onka. Obo no ma Felicia nye good enough ni fa. Nye ma kete bi wo hono ma. Eyi edi your friend is a lot of pain, any anger, any member in mind. Obo hono ma me say hwe utumi hu oba okwa adwuma no pa. Na we mina. Be ma pa na we dru adwuma na te ubi sa tem kro.
Okay, it's not Sherry. Pause, mommy, kakra. Prophet also. Nyamidi for ya chia bebre pa. Nyami sha say ene wenya bre na.
Mejo so nyami shira one wati phone na ne OG phone ko bia nyami shira obia.
Nyami shira also.
Where stand umenya daje etie.
Yo papa mi pacho, mi pesa mi busa question.
I think so. Etie.
Me pacho why nyamidi fo ya why sofo a udi edomanimu yi. Me pesa mi busa o say eba aware mu a. Does sex play the major role in marriage?
Sure. Nyami shira for such a question way. You studied the historical and the biblical background of Genesis. Bible say everybody born no man in na Bible say of far from the theater of the mini very much. The Bible say o ma mema dan na ho and oyi be man fem pade Bible so the ball oba na some catch oba say me ball say ko ye be ma sa so na mon no rega masi entre. Which means sex is a vital role before God. Because said ebeya yasibe dori etia. Emwa bi omo expand bi emwa bi omo dori bi it is true sex. Enti na twie won star won ne yonko na twie da. Kraman wo kwan ya won the kraman da. All the reason is says we will explore the world. It is about marriage dia. Na eya dia Nyankopon boy a enu kura Nyankopon ehia no tiki no bizam sa ndia na de meka che on say Says I can watch ehia power what.
Okay, Nyamisha. Bishop Nana Sapon, me patrol line so.
Hello?
Bishop Patrol also. What you mean?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Bishop Patrol, what you mean? Okay, Bishop, me patrol. Why mebusa Prophet Bismarck, mebusa Sister Sherry. Na me patrol also so why onyame software wodi edomanimi. Me patrol, what you say? Sex play the major role in marriage. What you say die and the major role I was a nipa bia wo kware a wo decide any show with him.
Because the way I will be
Me patrol. Me patrol it you.
Meton kapa.
okay, Bishop Kasa.
Dear me person me kan nyina ne say when man question obusa na modu. But we as so worry. Na oba no wantimi ani no yi a oba no kwantimi gaawo. Bema ke I was so worried to do it demo. Nimia no okay I do me because to me do no boom ade na ye wodia it won't get na but try wadwuma yi. What just here me etwani wura na bema de okoware na ontimi ni yire na on dem sane na moba no anya ntale ne mpabo anko na mo pewu. Bema de oware adi yire no for no eduma bi kwa tafere ne motuam nya abotere matwe no ye ho adwuma na ade no onti se bibi ye bibi odi ase na obaware oba na de bi oba de da onche no so nya banchi bia na du edi be ma de obasa wo yire ono ontra onche ontra baako a the major role in the marriage eye die papa ene die hunu so be di oba ni yam na tin nkan wati be bi woni pedue eno ano ponkro mi wura but is when here and our for kojo papa
Yo Bishop yeah that's
o jo be bi asole to aye ni mo die papa enye die keke die papa eti be marriage die mejo ro pa de kase pa wo mu na eye die ene die no so na beti wa ma wo ma ko kresa bi se ye mo ni asimore sempo no ade ento oba no wa ni no a wodimi ni ngo enye die pitwa so jina no so ti ze wodina ma na tere ni pedue mu nka
yo
ana o yire kwa no wodi na wo se twa no di woni hwe inside na hunu die tuam no no to hunu ko te ne die tuam die ne die keke o die ne be ati se de wo be figure ni na wo ye adwuma e wo se ututu engine a wo fifi mo he be dia fort wo enje kade wodi anyabote di twa no fifi matwa no zamba ade ne wura na me ye ho adwuma to yema se obi ka
hey Bishop let
say edie nya medwo wuro e wa ware mu a obare oba ne so wani no a obebo ni so ware oba di no edie ne ma wade so enye sika.
okay
That's it.
Nyamisha okay Sister Sherry me say this question will go for you.
Yes.
I say we your ba menya more than 4 issues concerning that question ya me de ba bebusa we ase wo yo ba
Okay.
ansa na me wi a me de amaye papa no masofu yi ye nua baabi en woni ni kunu ekoware o ma have sex da woni be ma na nhia da o ma na according to ne maame dickness wo Pentecost asore ne papa elder enti be ma na wo hia no na o ware ye no metimi aka ne say they studied themselves for only 6 months. 6 months na omo nanti mu no nko asore counseling no eno mudi hu omo after marriage no according to the girl no was say be ma ne die ya pe 1 na ne ho aba na ojai enu nti no ade na to akoso to the extent say Se say one ni ku ni da wi a e wo se wo kopon site no ko hwepon no de ne sa hyehye ne ho na ne ho ba because ontimi enka se oja aware ena ontimi susu engu ni kunani mu ase enche ne papa ne maame ana asorefo no because omunim say it was a holy marriage ena omo ware now this lady no okwa ware be ma no woni na have sex da omo anada after marriage so a be ma no woni ne da ya na ne ho aba so this lady no what dey no onye ever this marriage because onya sex mu satisfaction it dey bia no e was so masturbate it what should she do?
Okay, me that the past say what to. I thought some way there to say, na and then we yeah, worry moody. You know, many times, Christian marriage is very for like down is going down the drain because of human getting Nipa Luciano, what's that anything? Almost no sex before marriage. There's a simple kind of what the problem hold. Obo no ma dini to your whole before so to find issue. Obo also to your to so to me the no ba no maybe sa waka che be ma no ma be ma ne hu se odina ne hu ma na ana odina ne hu to ne hu to ana
waka ni na okay be ma na so onya sex machine
anything.
Was it edie ni say wonu wadana ne ho amase ka ne ho amade ya ne nka enye.
Oh, when your marriage na enya odo any because good sex is built on a healthy relationship and it's built on love. So obe man is no man na there's no way she obe mado that's what deal na so who say ohun towa they want to go the extra mile say be ohun beba say be ohun be sanu say be firstly so ye be ma na so oni oba ate na so wudi no wa ware ne say oba ka ne ti oyire na so wudi no na ni anye na oka kire obi na no e ka kire say anikunu e di a wudi ni de enko ye na utumi ba we nu ye o de renam was to say let me say sex machine there any sister.
Did you think so obani betimi
to learn in the
did you think say obani betimi agina issue we so de jaware?
Of course, because let me tell you something. Sex has so many benefits. It has anti-aging benefits. It has the benefits to relieve you of stress. They say, oh, financial problem, can so you do here. I'm saying, grow if you say what they can. Or it's just a couple of who said they are still young. They look good together. It's why show baby I did not use the fashion they said in trip. And they be an insatiable. They be an yet do drive vibrator. They be or yet the real feel of the whole thing. They be just an India bedroom. Even in the mind,
Hey, Yana network idiot, how dream power. Yeah, Sherry. Hello. Hello, Sherry. Hello. Yo, what's for Bismarck? But also.
And that's what one.
Yo, so funti. Do you think, say, who worry Bema? Na Bema no, enye very active in sex. Who bet me a jina so ni ne jawari? Oh, network he high dream power. Network in high.
Hello.
Papa.
Hello, no
Aha, so for me say, do you think say who worry Bema? Na se Bema no ne sexual life ni active. Who bet me a jina so ni ne jawari?
Oh my I'm sure for this Akiepwa mutie insuo tawagan antino internet work net kwa na modi ache
Okay.
Okay. I'm back to your question. Maybe I'm arguing on me, but I was saying, who said marriage is not BBR basically on sex because as you hear BBR say, point me no get what Sana say, Obia drinking an idea, and I'm a walla me, you know, Bema one. Awadi awali na trust in your lab. It young point no quality.
Thank you.
So the least mistake about ain't me satisfied in each. Nana Bema ain't me satisfied in each. No. Now for the awali one kasa be good. Awadi the other neko. So the okunu now so okunu to me and the one say your pa. Can I catch this honey? So the are on that I mean pet, but meaning say what other from no baby home. You want to be true baby or bet me ya I'll bet me my dad check. I'm a Tommy. So don't bother you, baby, or catch it because of such words. I don't know, man.
Now, Sabema, soon you're ready, so be soon.
But I say,
Sabema, so soon you're ready, say, or ban it actually, because this is a case whereby
no, so protecting the family, piano. Or find ways or find a way to satisfy the needs of the wife.
Papa,
and your impression you can wife.
This man was say, as small kind of say a dear me to me do, me to me do, mammy, hoba. It is every one bar, take it like that. Bearman say, Obana complaining, Bearman catch the Obana say. Na se me no da be am ho ba de ehia ne se me ho ba because me hu so na betimi de anyam se ne me no da
ba man or selfish you from your sexual selfishness wo ono satisfy ono oba no wonwe no oba no be ma wo ti se bia na ti ono da bia odwene no wonwe wo ayi ma ono oba da na oba ma otiri ati ade etimi affect no. So what you say? It's you now make us just say it is love and passion out of the yard. And in the whole pocket can you be a quite more about 20 years. Every day we are but then 20 hours I bet you. Credit but quite a fast over here again no banner dan casam but the more nadia mukuti mukopo near the adina said the communication is sex. And no crown or band to me, okay. But here is the case, Abema. Oh, you feel you are in the mood and you want to do it. And you call your pampa, you don't think about the woman. And I make us all Bama be autistic or not on part. All Bama, oh, do now, oh, who here you will figure say, me not that. Me no feeling. But then I'm just making me a yaman over feeling. I bet the woman was well releasing. What I say? Because and yeah, the same only better than a woman. What I say? 18, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. 50 minutes is hour. I don't know. But Oba, I it's a touch this romance.
You was your phone move China. I'm saying in so tall Ghana into a network. No,
what I say. If you remember, I get a woman to Nana so calling now. You catch up with a dear one. If you about all relationship, Bishop.
Mammy can be being chill. As someone, or you might be saying, or so.
Hey, it was a
Bishop.
Our network. Was a crystal soon to another number one. A dear Bakua Christo for ye selfish. Not Sabata Frat, Yadanin Crasset for a moon. So we could talk about Trawe. And I call out Sianantia or sorry, our TikTok.
Okay.
I am see yesterday, you been to yesterday. And your character and your attitude. And then your casa and your reaction. Yes, study one. Was your study towards to the deep places?
See, yesterday I was say dear Bemuana.
Oh, who study about? I wasn't Dino. Dino, no, what to say, yeah, Juma. Now, do say, not Jana, who to Kiakano, Bana, who confined my old piano. Or Bano Sosono, who said, I day. Now, bet Matna, who de Bia. Now, also, choose study about when you know what I'm going to show you. Okay, what you do about the
When you
so,
assemble a tragway, even say your Obana.
Anna, the Bajo Minchuano, Anna Biosun say, a Biosun say, but a mammy will a Biosun say. Bear my own Obana, and we are sorry. And yet, said it a fracture, hello, and yes, said it a fracture. What's in one?
Oh, Ghana network and yen so to
And you will normally be brown by ye. Oh, networking more. So I say, no, from me, yes, sir. Your baby, what's so good deep? Man, you're getting holy, and you what the holy seminar, so many Christians, some call sex in marriage, one, mechanical or balance with Java with Jao. Let's say, the men say, the bear money and we proud bano. I know bano so no. What is all who extract the bear money baby on fire and foul who be sunny?
Why, bear money person betie. Bear money and who create.
So, so betie, the one yarn on one fire the bebuano. Into a body Java and the yard.
Exactly my point.
And I saw for Bismarck.
I was a woman who 3 years woman.
Or baby, or betting your dinner and ask what catch any cruise and because of says now there is a problem with you.
Chama
Why?
Why is there a problem? Mammy can be mentioned. Me can be actually ne. Ye can lava. Love a tree to yourself. Yes, and you don't know. And then you do a bar. I was sexy. And would me tear do a bunny ye crowban and would be an Yavian and Sanobeko. And it yet, and it yet, and it yet. Bema cross of your boons of your song. Tipino, na ye. Usia, and I saw I get to the form.
Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, but the American.
Oh. So, maybe it was a form of China. Ghana is so tall, Ghana, and the amount network in a very, very bad. So, hello, Papa, you're so for Bismarck. Aha, so. Say,
Lani Katia Monfantame networking.
Say, I'm tired.
Although him, and I may try to be a friend love, although it is so I could pass Virgin Land. Yes, with your padieda. Obebu Suya. A year boy free so. Amana, our OBC, a manina. I do my copy, said, no, my own poor assassins will be used when a fertile land. Unya fertile land and I'll bet my head your war powers. Or don't want you money doors from papa. Intino, ye ka or da, Kasan Kasano, ɛho dwuma dɔɔso yie nti no so siesie oba obeto atale amana hye obema na aduane di obetua no water bay obema ni score obefro car ohia bibi obeto ni nyina wo ye ma no next month ni na ya me kan kwa kire oba na beti so ye jao
so for Bismarck
oba de beti ye jao because said sexual no said we be feeding na kono eno kwa mo na mabonte won hwe be na bia because on tell me kutumi satisfy no. But I say, oh, they man, no, I sorry, no. That be Obey what me, Obey one on the little bit. I was a kitten, baby. If the Bama wouldn't use Sadia and answer your old person, if you are all said your pa, Oba will cry now, Betty. Because I don't know, yeah, no.
Sex positions who are one ya. Ube now bet to cry day. Achia. Oh God. Oh, where are the gun and that?
Hello.
So for Bismarck.
Hello.
So
Hello.
Me also.
So for me person me busa so for Bismarck question me. So for Bismarck good.
Busa the moment.
Odi for what men can so for Bismarck. Okay, so for me person me busa o say. Fane say ono oyere nete. Oyere ni your ba baby a wo firi ba no sabi kote a eson e na wo pe. E na wo soso wo dia no enso enya de wo pe ni bi. But because of love na wo ka ho asem humobro do ni ti no e na wo te ase e na wo no aware e na wo no wote. But this is a lady a baby o free ba no kote a eso no pe e na wo pedie. Ena wo soso no so baby a wo so free ba no wo soso no wo kote ne nye size wo pe but then wo soso mpe sex sa enu nti no da bia no oba ne be hia bia no she doesn't feel satisfied because e ka wo no nko no na nka bia nka wo be dika soso ne nofo wo be miamia no nofo be kisi no wo be finger no wo be leke no ansa na ne nada ansa na wakọ round 1 round 2 round 3 but wo soso de okọ round 1 na no wabre. Don't you think say Oba ni betimi abo adwama wo wachi because of satisfaction onya wo nchen.
Let's certain things straight here. Me ya mama yere ko me yere 5 kura 1 5 kura na ne be ko enti e fa no to. Bye. I come me dia me
Yo busa ne say.
Ya bi busa
o so ba no e bi anope kote kase wo so die ni sha eti no me bu oba de pese wo ye ma no so wanya wo nye so say oba de be fa wachi opo wachi o di bi no
enti come on mo ti no
enti no wo die na ye keto no fa ye no me bi ba na kase ye dia so no forget kase no
me ti ya am pere ano
enye rounds do no this part enye rounds do no nemo adwuma no kitu e 2 minutes bitimi ya no be bia 5 hours intimi
5 hours intimi nye thank you
ta ebeja
yes
ebeje ya mama ni pia se enye qualification ne didi oba
obi so pesa debi obi so pesa sofo obi so pesa
awura na betimi awura obi wo an eso so hwi ni awani
but the ono so pen no obi wo ha de open no I'm telling you
sabi de me no we sia no to all the sia no but they always say I'm a powerful medicine that more people if you make it one of the one who said this that what slow and what one as I want you to move so what you say what about who say that my ticket say but my sia ti to bi or slow poison e je say na e be gbe kan wa he kura kese ro ko from the ticket kese it will get on the crown not the road that
Bismarck we see our baba share we mo funu na da ho
enti me pamacho me pese me busa sa question ufa oba nani nso ade ana oba woni maduane ye
yo nkrofo bi wa no mo mahia wo wiase no enye nketekete ne yedi prepare wo mu eye no ma bi hwe ono no ma wa hia no pedia pim na nani ase nyina be honhono no ko fa tetande kodi mu agro ade so ogoto tibia de be ka ho
me na me see me sa ba me fa
no ma bi sani na no nyanya na sumdwa a wo se ketekete me de koni ne
eleja me see me sa ba me fa
no I mean but me musa bo question you wo ba wo me musa bo question you
wontimi hunu edunya kofa wie na sade ne bo ho a eho adwuma na wo se wo ye
me macho me
change na fra twa o se na wo kan e dia me na ne ba tena me ne tena to ati ase before me nyesa me hu ana me ko
me de oba de o chama me de oba de me mfa wo se me yesofo me be ware wa me di wu
okay
na me hu nipa kora ye na nu enye
okay me pese me busa question say oba omu ade oba oni maduane no a ene oba woni mudie so for nana sapon obeyi hwan na beyi no
kama fa do ni me die no aduane ye ton du abonten
na oba omu ade nso
na man de bi wo wonte
ma me kan ko njira oba de umu ade a me mpe oba umu ade oba de umu ade enye untimi mfa ne nko nipam untimi mfa ne nko baabi obusuafo besa wa ba ha adwen ena ware aye kana nkasa ne anya oba ne nko o ware oba ba kwa ware abusua ne nyina sa na oso oba no so timi ware abusua nyina ti so umu ade a obese ufi into oba de
no ya adwene
oba de o ware oba obu ade ene esas na onya ade kora akire no but so mu ade kwati na so osa pedie no ni madwuma ni nyina se dia ho be ba se dia ba do dia wo be kwa bonten e dia wo
no question e be na ni ma de wo mu
okay
what's that good sense kra no before program we tin good sense kra that day put me flow pa
me na me ka kire won kom sa wo be hye no wo so okoma mu adwo okoma mu ato oni padua mu asane na me ho manya ba bi agina
Sunday baby yes no
so maza oba betuma mu anya ni dia ma oni na mentem ay fine oba so betuma tuni na mentem forever
so sex before marriage is right and I say you're right
you're right
na say aso for mo say you're right
you ayam ko fo bi doctrine ni doctrine no bi ayam ko fo bi doctrine ayam je omo de ma ye nkrase for omo de bisa doctrine titire ye nkrase for
and bishop ususu say oba ne be ma before say oba o ne be ma be kwa ware atena fie ne wo say o mani diu
I was so di
na so
na
so ko di na onyemo
the na so onyema na onyema no awo
na say abone
na onyem na so wona
Debbie fa and you clear Bible from Genesis to Revelation. Me maka Bible man come 27 times. From Genesis to Revelation, you clear wedding and engagement to baby out. But a young person you didn't answer semra. No question you didn't answer, but I was a young friend need you boo and my warrior. And the red some warrior so maton. But you are engagement libya but a warrior nunya nyamena dia don gusuma. So it is I don't know we do about it jana mo dana mo nyima mo e wo se wudi fo no bom fa hwene nyina no na ne twebana no saa na ne nanye titiriti no wo so ne nan no wo so ne nan
this is idea people might think say we are joking
oba no nko hu na so mo do ketremanum na so na wo sa hihye ne motoam na afi wo ma ne dipedua ni nyina free tibesiri na
ebeja opa motompa
me a type of a person as of na me worry no me major
so da ye pankwa
me ex marriage one so for me major problem me encounter e wo me ex marriage ne say me obi a me fere me ho pa me obi a me fere me ho 18 se me ne me ex husband se me ne da wi a na me de me ho sie me timi kata me na me pɛ light so light see me so na me ninje saa de no ena ono so so ye a type of a person na oyo obi ope
Oso ye obi a ope de.
me pɛ say woni me da na so light see me so I don't like that ena me obi a me
Na de ma hwem.
Uda so futie ena me obi a me no me ne me ex husband me ne ye bibi we pɛ na makɔhye makata me ho ase me mpese me ho begu wo mpo na me de me ho anante no wo me nakedness no because where I was coming from no, this is how I was brought up enu nti no me the raw ariemu what you say me expose me ho that much and na me a type of a person na me mpe sex bebre but na me ex husband you obi an opedie pa right and no and so na
aye pa mama nka no kwankyerɛ oye mama nka bi akyerɛ me ba me ka bi akyerɛ wo ne stroke bebrebe nkofo nya enyina ye ne be ma da me ho amayi be ma ntimi ni me nayi e stroke ubenya stroke be ma de opedi a eye oboa wo ba no ma woni na pedua ye fe o kala to so me ba ma me ka bi nkyerɛ em oba nso be ma otimi ta du de bia na oboa wo o mo system kuro nyina agu wontini mu nyina mo jatimi fam kama eye good em de to so bi oni se na wo ka bibi se oni be ma ne da kura wi na wo ko se ba afro eno de ye woni be ma da wi a wi ba afro kokoro ho ba ten kata ho ma to nsisi so na no fo ni da so betima sa ma ne ko tena sa asori mo tena sa so in this afin wa ba de hu eye ba bia wu
what you say say a background ni entity ni efie obi afiri mu ba ena ya ema sa nyama we ni na esi wo aware mu what you say your baby wo honom a ofere ne ho your baby wo honom a wansoro ye wo unim ye wo obi a wasoro ene obi a wasei e wo ho me metimi aka se me na masoro pa ba na me nsei because soro na masoro ne se na misua ade me ni mpanifo na nam ntina me nim nioma ba nema bi wo honom a na me ankasa ne me nya bi da e ma me nim ade no de atue mu but ye wo bi so wo honom a wo no wasai wo wura mu ahu de wo ade de esie de esitie but what you say enu ti no such a person a sebi onim sade ni bebre no okowura ware mu na se ni kun no ene no person ne da person ne da ade chero person ne da o mo se na wa so fed up in marriage na one thing we all need to know is say nipa ye hofono ade ba ko a
dabi woni man kan sa me no nya dwene
nipa ye hofono
ni no nya pie ma me ka bibi nkira wo hwe obembe bia wo ba wo beba be so like mama yo onim me tire sa strategy we yenim bema bie ni wo ba papa oni na nanto abrabom bema bie ni made ba ko wo ba bi huntie ma ni di nachi o ti ase e ti be bie ma wo ba no echi wona di bia ma obuo eni so enko sa place wo eye de to a woni ni diagra na abobɔ no to na wo susom so eye ne nofo a omu a otimi du ti to nofo yi so na wo twetwe ba bia agichi wo na ma wo do wo ba na wo do ko wura ni mu no sa please ni triti ho yie ana kire ni ntale bia won hye be ma wo wani age etu betimi no ba ma tena 5 years 10 years na be ma no say ne ho afro na ne be ma no onye correct
enti die be pa na be si a be ma be ma a wone ne yirete obefiri ne yirechi akodi oba afofo wa bonten
na ukona ntia ko mauro me bonsa shoso gu na me yira fashe
sofo e me say
e mu so ba ne se bonsa shoso na ni agi
sofo me say die be ne be si be ma be ma one ne yirete obetimi agya ne yire twe ho akodi atwe foforo wa bonten
ono ba ne ntam yim
I want them yim so be one
more da no aka ne sra bo ho din wakane sra bo ho din obu ani da wa yetitiriti
men don't know how to foreplay
oba kasa mema no bi wo ho na munim how to
na man kasa bitie
Sherry kasa
yeah na me can say mema pi ni wo ho no you so your buy ya no obi there is nothing how to foreplay between
Sherry Kasadi Kakramae. Sherry Peso say, baby be one ma onim how to foreplay. Say or buy a no si so no order. Wo feel say na yere.
Na make and one to fit no dey so kan.
What you say? And no nama and most marriages, divorce high risk now in marriages because baby be one ma onim how to satisfy the woman. And baby so one ma onim say bia.
I know him ma menka bibi. Be kasim win there. Bema wo ye pepe. Ko ya ono ye da kwa hu nsane.
Bema ye de wo ye pepe.
Ko trimu ati. Ana wo ye pepe wo ntimi siesie. Wo ye pepe oba na kono de kwa onya entileni nyi hu. Etoni ne da kwa na won tehwe. Because wo ye na hi. Bema wo ye pepe bi ntimi sese.
Asa bema ye kwase ebuo bema asa oba me ne bema wale. Na bema no wonya hwe ma me won ma me hwe won ma me mani ndu aware ni mu no oba me nche kwa na ma beda kwa na me bu afu what ya se mini
bema de
mini ahomeka bia de ma na say me kunu no because nyoma bia me pe no onye ma me e bia me kai wo yire pese uto nwima no uto atade ma no wo yese ma no wonye ma na e be ye de no oba na nya ediemu oni die abeda ho no ma ba ne nam ama wo ne nada entimi nya possible eno so ya saade so a akoso a ma ne awarija ya ye bebrebe wo wiase ayeti Hello? Oh, Ghana network ninya wo Ghana kra. Yo abusuafo said ye na make no. Won say obia ne baabia ofri ba obia ne background a wo de ba. Ene mema no bi wo ho no ma wo nya wo ba onim se ne yire no wonti ne de ope no de yo. Into obutu so anu ane se wo no wo da. Ade e mema wo ba na nya enigie bi wo mu anya feelings bi wo mu no. Won nya saade no. Enu ti no eba ne sa na be ma ne kra eba oba ne kra na oba ne bu afu wonim say sofo ne share wonim say most married couples bebre use vibrators edida
yeah
sofo
en prepa
Sherry, do you know say
you also power
ene awarefo bebre use vibrators edida omu kunu no ma da wie no mo de vibrators akodi omo because so oba bonten be kase me kunu ntimi ni me neye so oba bonten be kase me kun satisfy me ne maame ya na no sofo pani bedi na tema ka che so we dwamafo ana se ne ho ye ne dedodo enti di oba ye ne se e no be kwakwakoto vibrator wo se ho ahwa no de odi edi no which it is wrong sade no so nye
ohima no na me kase wo ye sofo na oba be ka kire wo se mini me kuru da me ho ma sofu me bre mini pedue mu e ha me na so sofo ka so ba ni dwamanfo a enye wunim de wo ye wunim de wo ye e wo so chi oba ni class na wo tunufo e kire no na wa kire no yeni se be ma no so no afre na di nyansa kwan yeni se na report to say na menya wo ti ase wo okra wonim eti pornography bi kra no ma ni video to ko download bi hwe it will satisfy oba no what you say so be ma wo yire aye ne ho bone dia na obe use vibrator dia na tesa ware no obe ye dey and also ware ne gu no the vibrator na satisfy no every day
papa be ma bi wo ho no ma obe ka kire na ka na okay what about so ko fa be ma sabi eduru stage bi ne kwoti na ewu susu o wontimi ndi twa ne so e
wo ye pepe be mo ti se bia ye be mo ye pepe
be me ka be ma sabi
be mo ye pepe bia ni suba no
be ma ne nya adwuma bi se be ma no so ne be ma ne wu susu e se woti awade asena ukunu be ma
wo se ya da ka bi o
se woti awade asena ukunu be ma ewu ade na be e de na wo so ye
anya me ka cho plane jai
na for better for worse no ko kan na se kire ne say
Mami jai aware de me kan okra cha aware te sa yonkofa ya busua nipa minu na akọ obuti abom eye sebre ne nkrabia de e na me be hia wo no be ma ewu be ma no so na de ne me be wo ma because my ba aware ma busuafo o hwese be de nkwala be fie wo be ma ewu edura na dwana me nko ane da ho And as a side, I come in, I'm a papanche.
Hey, now so
That be media catch you play. Oh, your bar before God the make jai, Nano move for that.
there be so for what for better for worse. And I want the bear man and I yari be a bono, and I yari be a bear man, and
you may for better for worse, no catching nipa. And you didn't run a total or court. Lawyer no crown what to court in our year. Now, who could look at you? Ah, or you may jai. The poor bidder may catch you play.
Debbie, Bishop, Sadia was with our yari bet me to bear man who Yari bet me a bear man into Yari bear.
Or you may or Yari or Yari. You are Yari or Yari. I ask Yari party or him.
Bema when your diabetes piano or low sexual life. Bema be especially Bema
and I'm interested. Anything I will a time of check for blood test near the Adiano. No, by Yaria Beman a day. No, what the Bema no light of what. Ah, you got you. When you're Juma, me told you I would see the Biafo, and you are really jay.
So for the be away, you want a Bema Wale. Now within 2-3 years' time, Bema Kunya Abia diabetes, no, a man sexual life, I from diabetes.
Why am I 2-3 years' time? When I was saying, about 2-3 years' time, when I was saying, Sana will develop our enemy. I don't know why you show. Why am I? You 2-3 years with them and only winning them way. Now, the Bema say, now that's what you Missy, Mimi Abano, come here, my sister, no more feel.
Nasa,
because you got a trim power on the cheek, and no more Bema or wire bonnet, and you would
Yes.
And one on.
Nana for better for
Ah, we do what can I? For better for worse, and you will be
and enough for better for worse in the moon.
Better for worse. For better for worse, you go home. For better for worse, you go home, but people still cheat. Or born in the irritate, or in turning night for better for worse, no worry, and also only about for and also for better for worse, people who stand before the altar to say for better for almost no more default.
Now we are not the night will be able to only a couple of for West, which means I know about from Froco. Now the same for better for West, now Beman and the Quatia was in the Dasutio. Jai. Let me tell him. Jai.
It says, I was to say, or buy when the bear matin, a bear man in your so to Ujano.
Jai,
this thing is very good.
So let's bend what take I saw about.
In this case, a woman could either cheat or masturbate. Meaning your body.
And because of say, even crying, and I make us say, and my baby, our ass still now they are using vibrators, any dildos, they have sex. And I wouldn't say,
yes,
or babies who want ma, you couldn't have a good sex with him, but then the bear man and a vibrator, and a man. Meaning, bear maybe or no, I didn't you know, no, say you should vibrator on the woman.
We hear 20.
That those things, no, sometimes those things. No, let's get it clear here. Sometimes some people want to spice sex lives. If you want to know, the sex has become very boring. So it's their own way of exploring different sex. And so be an idiot. Every day. Sometimes there's something called monotony, boredom. Or like the same position at the same time. There are so many things you could do to spice up. It's like everyone might be a movie with you. Maybe someone and I keep them somewhere. Go somewhere and have good sex. God, they move, baby. Why you can have
Debbie, Debbie, awful. Are you telling me, say, Nipa Hufuno and Nipa Hufuno?
Mamma said, okay, the other every day. What can be the last? What's the
of spiking it up?
Mamma said, now I think my kitchen is wrong. I said, the wood piano.
Kitchen table.
We are good. What was that idea? You good, you have a phone, bro.
Network, he say.
Get to them. All my women of my mother. Every day, careful.
Oh,
Say, I didn't quite to say. And member, yes, is match. And a man be on swap. Oh, and I'm a Christian, with a bushing and Timisa. So, maybe so on more Kwame John, on also for crossing will be now Obano, on also, and I'm a Christian, bushing and Timisa. It would live with Gina, be no modinum. Oh, so would live with Gina also, and what?
Moment said a challenge. I bought some of your song.
Wouldn't you say?
Last week, song.
Now, look, we call those two. Oh, now, my man catch them and say, prophet. Almost 80% our dinner a break. Now, make you catch also almost 50% of the 80%.
Christopher warrior.
Christopher, Titu asofo.
Say I nyachum. Oh, say nyachum no. Any
nyachum Daniel onane.
Mentality be a dia say tirimu aso Christo.
What you there?
What you say?
Ya to a was there.
Ya wa was there. Ebony are there, because of there, 89 there, 36 there, 18 there, 69 there.
So bet me a dear. When you're meaning so, and yet time on you didn't know about the year the accident.
Me say, just a bear in Yan, Quaban, Beshini, Kaki to a baby, and Yidi Susan, and Sra, who are corno, or by Beshini come pocket to a biashe, a top kit to a be, you were when a year full body, no, or by the so on the antennas. Nyame
crashing that
was and I had Christo so much tree and
why am I winning? Or about this, I don't see if you can see about what take Italian tinting. A sort of Japanese one for a cheap mamma to whom everyone.
That's a software, meaning okay, Madame Fubi, will be quite Ginny Kuno, so Yadi Nikun. So, Madame Fubi, you couldn't say, or back cried you to be a Ujaria. Or said Giant one and can't so one road of Nadia Command. And I make us say,
yeah. Your friend says communication says a man go out how to even communicate with one idea.
Any man,
you want about
and your man, the moon side any true, and mamma moon side any
women are very romantic than men.
Women are very romantic.
Most of the people want him because of every idea. O free jom by over Jalen or that. All for what is man what is an idea. Can't stress mass.
Miss Kudi, even Obeka say, be a new Remy here, dear Crown, on
nice way and can't. You have to find a nice.
Thank you, baby. One man, the Casacrat time. Send a year be one a year home. Nothing an engine or crack.
Baby,
one man, the Casacrat time. Quay of a first one or back catch and a year say. Anna, a dear in them, they will trim born crowd or do trim born to a dear. No,
David,
putting off. What I say, oh, there's a woman.
Bema mistake what we want. Won't mean fair needy any boo, any nyansa kwan enka. Na won trade the obey, now obeka no timubon, and I will cry and I hope Debbie. That's when you me. Also, you sing nyansa kwan. Hey, I didn't go to maybe a water free one. Who say man, homogen, so do me kind of refin on one thing and you super liner. Oh, every ascent in a crowd of foul, but Nyansa Quine, you shooting in a camubi, but not something a cow, you want a man or cow. What you say? Meaning a camubi. If I did what I would say. No, it didn't answer in him, dear Nadia can. For punty line and no piano, I didn't become a little bit fee. Johnson had your room crack a carabecaho, a frown no crown, a remembrance of Oira Japadi.
Kyerɛ sɛ bɛrima bia nim ne yere twa sent me boa.
What's the wunya? When Yadia Ness on your bema papa?
A better than when you.
Debi o montwen. Me person be bisa say who who nama yam for say rose flower da.
Aha.
And no more
Or the who say na it's not supposed to smell like rose. Every vagina has a smell. If the smell is no, so we are, and I say you have to see this to see a doctor. But no, vagina smell like
if you water, bro. Nankade ntina be ma bi butu oba foforo so a na ono oba ne kasa bo wanu abɔ ne yiri din. Ne yiri twa sentini jejani tim na ko na dwunu ne bibia. Sa na ade ne tie.
Ejinemu ade ntina akodi obi foforo.
Da bi etimisi, ene de etimisi ase no me say oba rupu me da.
Enti wo this man o say oba fa yiri echi, oba ma obi adi.
Oh, me de yeah, actually, yeah.
Aha, so for her, me pacho, me bebo audio bi akyere mo. Muntie audio ye o bra na asema no woka. According to bra no say, wone ne yere nete. En wo ba ne din hihye ya aba say, okay. Mi kunu dabi ode oba ne hihye aba say we ntua light bill na we susu nya dai we susu entua dan ka okay fine wate ase te say no oba no ye bibia afi oba ne da oba ne se be ma ne kwotisa mi ba to munti o oba ne se be ma no ne kwotisa e na be ma na kwa abonten akwanye mo ba afoforo oba ne hu se be ma na kwa abonten akwanye mo ba afoforo ne de se de oba be ma ne da kwa no ojeje ho so first be ma ne da ojeje ho. Because of
my young father been to the right. No matter Juma or Yiri, any salary, any sika. Memo bani involve some no maybe involve sika or no maybe move fee. No, Papa, Obana come no case or don't, dear. Or bad mama dear, yache. But Bema, you know, you didn't say, I will be your life, we be your water, we will say, no, you have to take all the duties, make your woman happy. It's on one case to that show, middle stop. The person can die is in any adjustment, you know, about Coca. Nurse and what will be a BBI, also. But you know, about Sadia, we are Sadia, Ness or Bar Mechanical, or Barber from Prow, which I could pay Canada, and the Abba. Yeah.
It's all who say our little boy.
I'm you.
If I try na muntie asem we mame muntie
sofo o se
pacho muntie
ye ma muntie
pacho muntie audio we de muntie audio we mame
me be kebi dia che sali pa
me pacho muntie audio we mame we de muntie me se muntie audio we mame bunye di kakra mame we de penifo madaroma muntie audio we mame.
You know, Shelly, we are well educated. We need a whole. You know something about science and doctrine. Number 3, we about do winning mukasa. Why drink the whole? But I didn't know we are quick tempered. The more you are quick tempered,
jealousy.
Shelly to our life in our law. Oh, the open say, Bema catch us a course about 5 minutes. I was 5 minutes and I was a Beman or so Beman in you on my own Tiasi. But who will be to say, Abia coins, not traffic or Abia was Yana down, Abia was here with Shani, Abia Mobile and a car, the cell, Komanaka, or Tim problem we see, but what they won't count 5 minutes. It will maybe a justice, never worry, you want to go away.
No, Crepa, I know my right, no.
I didn't see the go away.
I know my right to vote. I know my right to vote. Teach me don't try left.
And keep us I know my right to say the because I remember the so we are
communication because also okay, I remember 5 o'clock. Now 5 above. Maybe I make family in Sanka. Some just tell me so maybe I make her say and I say baby. What would it take you to communicate?
Thank you. Next is I wish a baby I was
instances baby to me.
No.
To me. Explain.
Everything me about 7 o'clock, my phone to me. No, I'm actually
it will attract a. Oh, please.
Papa, and Mamma Bebre, Sebi, and Mamma no bia baby as say, and Mamma Bebre, and I must be a Mabebre Subo Jamai Wawadium, Sassun and Mabebre Susunama Bema Subo Jamawadim, and they say communication I a problem, Bebre, Mamma friends say I want no soon in the right or your Bema, one what to see Cabo Wado, it did your one pen warrior, there be said will be ban one in Nakosha Demno, and Yabua, Abua craning at Tekrana or more science. I want to be communicating what you see. It is our no yen at na sempo wako baby na se wo ka tie kra ko pai ana bibu des wako do oba foforo kwa wo yire chi kra na for the respect sake ntino mane hu e bia hani menam kwa so mebe wo de twantro because yenim se mema de ntro de mu ye number 1 mudi mu akotere twantro
enu kwa mo se se ka mo se enu kwa so kasa ah ade
de wo se me kasa bema ehia oba na okope na wo se de me kwa akoye ne lie Bema shia oba osichale me kwakwa any line say o kwakwa twa man ntro enti enim say mema dey out of 100% 80% entro nko a which problem be any ho but say wonu oba atia wade ase na say sebi wonti no oba na communicate ya
bema ne deti oyema ebia na bema na pieti bema ni pie ne phone kuta ye ne yetimi nya low battery
oh tia bema bia de bia sa
de bia low battery ana se phone ko betumi ayera ana no bit me fi no agani baby I know my right to there with the relationship mu a ene me betre wade e de e ma me matimi dwama e hate ma wo my life mu so problem born in terms of what catch omission for not the other man sadia no enye number 2 I know my right ye fam kwa wariem wo de kwa wariem mu a me kan kwa kire e be ku oba wonye boni bia na ware na gu I know my right enye wo de ma be ma ni jam life man freedom opie man oba me no oba ho no opia I'm very happy go enjoy yourself also kokrum wo hie nipa bi na o mo no kasa na also you free what you say oh but me restrict too much na me kan wo sha emwa what you say me kwaba sisi on ti me medru ye nti e yasem there be eno dia sem foforo so beba na I know my right to do the kwawari ma me kan no kra kire
ba sofo we are aware so say emema bi so onum so mo so ye jealous pa ade
o emema dey bi dey jealous papa me na me di ka se dey bi ntino ma me no wo kono me ye jealous
Bishop nyame na yeso no ko o ye jealous God
dem e bi o ye jealous bi a wo nyame honhom e na me tinimu nyame tinimu kum
no
ene mema no so bi atro obi twantro ko mia obi o baby sisi wo mi sia obi na me yesi wo atro ko anje ma no me ni kra no ma me free do
eno ni asem na America na sabi wo ji memedi mi see out of mema 100% ete ne ka
be mema de atro ye nka no kore ene ma so me bad me ko di dwa no afa ho akogye wo baby no wo better because give now
so before so oba be di ne ho a na wari achi na wo de be ma na ye I'm telling you e ma chi sa
ma no be dia na wo de be ma you minimum woman be like no e ten o po wi ase wo dwa e ten na be ma o po wi e dia sex mu sikemu e kapadi mu but still minimum small boy bi o ma ni say di no ma odi ma me no small boy papa no so wadaje ma wo enye se go jija ho pie o tu kwan be bi ono ne nam eso ma me ni sama small boy bi ni da so enjeni de oyima wo be dwamanfo ho
e bia bi ko so
bi ni wi ase be so no
aha ni o sa ma ni
yes interest they are putting it in so they mo dru they tia wa jini nyina be still eso so no
ba sofo
o be bi o mo pese dey me ma ho do be 5 na ni na
No, my water wash and as
Eti wo be dwamanfo. Enye wo be me dwamanfo so.
But so for me pacho I dey ba ko na me pese enkrofo tie ye pa ebusuafo tie wo msa ade asade network ni so ani boy but then enkrofo tie but ade ba ko na me pese ye ka ho asem yi awade no to me wo hema me tie yi awade enye edie nko na be ma awade agina said ye wo ka se oba bi wo ho a he be ma be di no obema ni sika obe bibi obe ama ni bia but still ne kwando aware no adentia ebia na ekuru ketuo bi twia be ma ne to ho ba bia ohia se ye de asawa be ye den ebeta no so enti awade na ade ba ko e wo se ma emma ne mema ni na ya wo ene se aware enye die ene ma aware gina enye die nko a
ma me musu ase bi why jana waka for better for worse it is a crude pia ho no also for the asawa taso na won dika asawa on ko fa asawa ne ntale so na won transfer ko na asi kuro ni ndi o ko abonte dia ene o yo bedwamanfo sana wo ye be man so na sa kuro no na sa wo so wantimi anhwe na sa wo so ko abonte a wo so ye be medwamanfo but mema o mo aware so no ma aware ye de na ma on eye be ma wotimi ma na yere sere obi ko aware wo mo na yere to da oba na ma no twane to otwane ni anu ha ge no so na wo yi concert enya wade ne enkomo nso ma agro efie ye de ewo mu a odira wa bo na don sa celebrate a wo nya no fo o jame na o twane na mo na mo da fo na mo ni
na ye die na batenya no na ye ka ho asem
o nya na na di ba ewo abetimi na di asa agro no batenya di bi ani
so fo uko wale be ma efu uko wale be ma efu mimi tuwe
ewo mo ma bi no man kete
so fo uko wale be ma sebi
efimi costume na di fu mo se
Odi asofu ti he me de bia me kasa asem me say me de be kwako ware be ma efun he e wo be ma bi wo no asofu efun pa be obi na no kora na se wo ka asem kire wa
o ye ban ti ase be ma
time he me ma no mu bi na ya ma emma yes o kurase ni be ma asem odi tete ye
phone ye cheek do mo kan pa
me ma hu bi da be ma eh so be ma otimi ka se o twe so ye de kwasia ba e ma de se wo
be ma de o so bu ba
e me ma bebre enkurasefo me ma bebre awale ma bi tete ma bi awale mu a e ma ni na ye din because of omomanti
oye mama me ka se mi kire o ma mi se na so na de uti oba se me timi nsa se me de bo oba no enye de oba ye enye ka me pese me no bi jai me no jai me pese se me de nsa bebo ana me kaka se fin e dia kire ana me tu chiki dia ma o de me ke jai mu ye jai mu me pe che se me kaka se hontie ana se me de nsa be de e be ka on de bi be ma de e wo se o mo wani bie bi tu wo no ba ntem so bu mo ba no nya kasa ede you concert mano edu because that for pornography shemu mo TV na mo da mo hwe oh enye ni ya na yedi o eno me bu atwetwe e communicate ma mo kwa mo timi hye fie e be ma ba akokora mpie oh sa mo we nyina na ya no be e wo so we mo pa nani ko restaurant edu be ga ni to odi na dia ask you ya ni fene so e ya tete do de ne so kakra no na develop the idea
so program ya ye ube mu se ube nya obi oye nya atwum ni bia kotra bia koka se so program ya ye wo hu ene wiase so he ene wiase ayaba enipa dodo na ye nya atwum kristosumfo akwasi amankwa kristosumfo hwe se wo de opa program ya ye ma program in konkoda YouTube obenya sabi jimifuo bi a wonim nyansa ba tro ase se enti kristofo pa ne nto mo kasa asem we enti heaven pa o mekọ bi but o mo wura fi so se enne Bible kro ya ma yete ase se nyame ba be ma no oba da ho obetam ba ko agya ba ko enne so no o mo wura fi so se enne ewia se yeti aware 100% aware agimu 70%. and adia ba kwa e de bia ya na meka me twofo me de bia meka asema me beka wupa di matem wa ba wupa tie adia ba kwa wo ye bema na wo ye oba memma ye mfa saade ni en wikiu e wa ware mu ye mema uhu kra se mema e na me ne wo ma bema ni ku kra se mema mame se wo te awade ye ho na awade ye no wonya satisfaction wonya ni die wo ho a forget wo ma ne pe ba bi kotena na abewu
and I'm a man in Tia and can make Jow, man in Tia, oh boy, forget to be no idea in an area.
And I will would have been Tias, and I will no banners of Tias. Well, I say, and then I'm a man in a head. And penny funny, a soft one, and yes, I didn't know, and when anyone man to me very much. When anyone what were your bow, ya bow, fainted. Now, John was a man in Tia, and come to the police station, a man in Tia, and come with the mayor. And ama bebre ti awale musu so manya depression and ma bebre aboda mo mutrim and ma bebre nya depression bi nya bipolar and this ayare and all because of and am menti be ma bi won mo ne yira tena papa be 3 years ni won oba ne nada wo ba ne yeso after awomo obi si ane ne yire wo wie ye no
edumo de ko 7 years
me se be ma bi se ne yire wo wie ye ne yire na fu aikese be ma bi so se ane ne yire wo ye no ne yire na asesa chese oba ne wo wie ye no wo find the fault Ghana
for me de oyima de me wudi se sebita frache me kro Ghana na me de be kasa Ghana for ye hypocrite
Papa
Ghana for ye Christopher but ye nya Christopher ye nya no so ye asorokofo ye ntino be biase and asofo be your mutu Holy Spirit they be fair be okay with your members momu unu sadi we wa anya na we ba enye Bible ja woda kuru niu won fa na nya botenta frita fu twe mu fa na nsanke kan na ase manye ade am ye Kristoni na be ma ni jawo na be ka chese me mompa e ma wo bo wani so
yes enye beifo eye wa wusu no ban na ama wale na gu
so ban ye na eye jimi na eye we jimi sam
but then yeah can sex
obabi wo wa na America no obabu ane ne da na wa kan sira bo mu sa wo sire nso so be ma de ni kasa nyine ho nyina faako enya kwan nyemu adwuma da bi ewo wa oto na be pega na kakra nya osere na oso ka bo ho wo
da bi sofo ema bi wo ho no ma sebi o ma siswa what ya say obabi wo so o dry pussy na se no enche na e wa ye dry it is a be ma woni ne da bebre na onya obenya vagina cat o se na se atwitwa
oba do ni be hia I was o ma no work to a certain level a true level bi ono na be so ade nto so di wuram because ade na ankasa no a true be o hia ade no inside but nipa na dry na wo force piasa o to be na cutting.
Okay.
Na so for wanu a mudi preach anu a odi preach
and so na obi se ba odi asin e na de o na oti ade ne nka bo sa de ne so mo na ne na sebi be ma de sebi wudi oba e wo se atwe ne kasa e wo se wo te se atwe ne kasa e wo se eno de e mass eno na e ma fans eno de ade e wo se sebi what is a sent no na e say eno de but then no sabo se hwa na ye mobo mo te kire ho e se ho ta na Jesu ma fans na ye kene ni sisa na kweba no so apega se side no sa wo kokomoti fa so kakra na so wo ete fa ho na onu fu na onu tafre no ko ho
great empire
so
ade na no man kuni mi no
Bishop obi atro say sex and marriage as a kire understanding respect caring any love
there be onya understanding ben afina me po acho na ti ase ansa na medi
there be anya no se mo beti
when you understand yasemu
na so
be man de ba oba no o ya we be man oba no so de ba be man so ya we when you understand you
dey by force
so go base my yeti o papa
when you understanding
so go yeti o
I drink it and na make am
yeti o
Now what people want to go to watch a bro, I was a kitchen. No son and sa. Now you're born in Sana San and the Toma. And no better because one me.
Me say me catch the obi say me. Me catch the obi say me or him a Jackie a me tie me catch the obi say me ware na me kuru catch them say ku ejemfu a wo nan ya si for me efe nti fa chain to nan ya me de chain beto me nan de me kuru pe no e na me ya ama no it's a what ya bonten na se wo hu na wa anti ase e wa mo le obetimi aka ne pampa because adie bia onipa da sani bia de e common sense sometimes asem bia ya avram be mo shi woka bia ya na enukru ade bu hono ma apply your common sense woni be ma wale mo te dem ukunu se maame shenika na me hu sere ho ne me na ho a da bi o nyame mpesa o nyame na ukọ heaven a wo na ho ko che Jesus wo heaven
Oye mama me ka se mi kira wo onim so obi timi se skirt na ye short e kra ni kotobi o de kwa sorry a on ferry but o se trouser na o kwa sorry o se me ferry but yes ka be se trouser ni mo se top o wa a che se ka be se short skirt ni short skirt de ti ya wo do joint point so anu ma sa na ye ni me de bia me ka me se ni ware a me kwa sorry a me iri betima mo abunika na o ja se heel no abu t-shirt o fa me watch ya money e ko Mimi fili ade ba mi mani ade o church member no obetra ho wo ko di fi okoye de ono na di o hypocrite e de bia o fa o ire chi na wo di bonye na egu aso no fi na gu nyame ho fi be ma de o ware no ade a obeya ma nani age bia ye ma no woni ne tika mu kra na bam say fa de ne so wonu na no ma no atafre no na ne na post ya ho
but enye na akonya accident na yende
Drew me bia when they da was how do so fan true mu kwan aso so so na pusa
oh say we ade a emekuo ma
Police for ba betew
why Ghana you crash for you
we say who aware de o se wunya bema obete wase na mo bedo mo ho na mo hu how to enjoy yourself marriage is so sweet but then no say one two was
me can be share you life years back that time na me mother makra no kumasi tina every 2 weeks bia me ko me mother na ye kwa me timi patika na okwa mu no butu no so na me jaje no oh me de jenes ye kwa timi aibo e bedu ni e di be 5 ai ye tafre ni di what ku gugu ka mu wi ani da ko le ko ni ka wo ye spray wo ni sa to
ye say e boni
Ambeja
mama wa dia yin twase sam sa ko anti ase de oh
Ambeja
be makasa
mudru dia pompa obeye ejo so mbeye nkoko mbeye lenda do obeye
be kan bia ani ye ginam
o ba de nye o enye ye se sa de na enye
eye pa eti before see du ani aye be 5 or 6
ase wo yo ba wasi so
bibi sa asemo
wo ware be ma no ko fa be ma wanyi sin o obi a wo ye papa panimu unim se odu level bi a be ma no ebe jai adwuma ye ntu yo ba na se wosi so na se wo se wani gidie hu afa wo size na wo size
oye ma ti hwe bibi anya fe se ukura ka na we oba to nchen vani se wo yira na se bi oba wo be ware no no bu sit ni ko akiri
wo yire oba wale na woni
ni sa ni ka bi no asesa ni na good dashboard no so na hwe oba asra hu ni na hu ni eni ni ntia akwa me twitwi ni na ho kama ama no
wa she news
no wa she t-shirt bia na se bia watch na uchi bi da ko hu bibi won ho na wo drive no to nche na obon komo na nsa ni na mo etiko let's all do baby na mo mi no akamo na mo se mo nia mo ntra on ni nche mo na mo nya stroke we I want
but mama time yenu abema bia beto bibi or say sex is an artistic work.
Yes sir.
That makes marriage displays with colorful exhibitions.
Na be ma na netu otimi edu kama ma ho ba feel all right na be ma no sorry a e ko na wo ko sa de na be ba ku otimi du kama
ane je me kanu ka cho be ma do ta bo ba dia me nua ba no kam na be kam no ka se di kwa edi de obi na kwati ni bi mo di
ene se me ma ni de o mabu
be ma anje me hu so bo ba dia na aso ayo bon sama mami
ba ye wo me bu ho no ma wo so de be ma nko no ne da
ma
men kanu kwa nkyere o me kanu ko bi a kyere o ne o mo ta no mu wi no tama na me te
Mate maybe so on my was one day the boy
born omo mu no wi no oba no be se omo nkasa se omo de bia no we bu afu de bia we obi a high omo bitime di omo ho
but ye wo man bi wo ho no ma wo no de wo se be ma bo no no
Sanko for no pama busuafo nhia omo ni asem yesi nkonwa enko police station yemodua ta omo nyai da because they be obi a high omo high no but omo do omo wa omo da kios mama osis omo timi high no omo ge sim and o gina kios ni je kwa what say yes as a kios ni bu
but cho munim say
I saw about no san ene be mo no san ware de bi entokwa wo ensomu da
but so for me pacho unim say ene we say
no be so sa ho but nobody was satisfied said the kra na wo ba na o ta bu dia be ma de obu oba kra dia we kra si kra
so for unim say ene no sex no enko fu bebre so abuse sex omo abuse sex so for unim say ene no enkrofo bebre so abuse sex kwan a wo so mo fa so a omo have sex na enye sa kwan no mo fa so no oba have sex sabi wa ware beema na beema ne kan kire wo se sabi wo pese odi wuto nyankopon so bo oba no oba ne se sabi fa ne twe wanka se fa ne to na wo tia ware ase na da bia wo kunu odi wuto one day nya okokogbu ne be bia beto abonten. Well, I didn't sex is good, but people are abusing sex in marriages because when him say, meaning papa be on no offense, so a worry girl, no chinchina girl, no, a man in now on a toe, while fat girl no on a chisam, and now no say girl, no, when your problem. All because of our ear. Our ear now, what you know, bear money at the sex, abuse, you know. And yeah, so.
They want to make capture or say, Mama be an enemy to the catch him said. Or no doubt, but although person no doubt, and yet in Fino. But if there is a such position now, but you know, Obana Dana, a yellow tea, now the end. But Obana Japadina Baba Bonus,
any dog is down.
Very good. But said the Obama so the Bama without two at do, and the giant. What took rabbit be ever sell? But so man say to walk now with that party and more took room one on one coat. None of the only dia and the normal house they said Obama be I'll do about to be on your careful. And yet on your
yati nyame nshiramu pa nyame nshiramu say ne munya brena mo bae they say no and then the network na eniam but say and then ye shase
so talk
and then ye shase enti ye de be ko ma fe
now and you the so talk ma be cancel we so no ku na that dia na me jam bibia de bon
so for nyame be say one na ma ho years one wa ma ho years abeso de wale you and nyame fault
everybody near guapo
nti nyame nhira mo pa say na me to me sa frɛ mo amobae I think say we ya shase is it have any set up no nti we next time the yeni na ye beba video ni gina video no so ni obi ehwe anim ni ye ka next time so ba be illustrations yeah the science in aba be chere say how and the ba be chere ni na we first because they say no yeah ma aware ngusa just like that aware a ye die e was it me resolve it aware asabi ni jai na omu jai no eye edie nti na aware ni gudie e was it solve na say aware say bia be ma ne bo be ma ne brau be ma ne o say dia fine but say e bia be man insatisfied wa na say oba no so insatisfied with who ja no no ja nkora agu no so de eno de ye mpene 2020 we de sa de ne mpene so oba no wonim kura na ye be kire no ye nim say ye kire no so a nyame tutu osua enti so for any sharing nyame hira mo se munya bre na ba me show God bless you. Yo abusuafo said ene no mo amunim no this is our first time ye shas because our rejaye adoso our bebre egu empem bebre no ye busa ye ho se adanti na ene obi ho so obi no obi aware 6 months time o se ye ja aware ube kuma na akwakoye edie ntia ena me kunu ntimi nneme ena me yire si me di ne dodo ena me yire sisei ena me kunu sisei ena we sisei ena akwakoye major problem ama enne ema bebre ni wo mu kunu mu jai mema bebre sususu ni wo mu yire mu jai enne mema bebre fa wo mu yire mu achi all because of sex enjoyment omunya ewa wari mu. Inti abusuafo I think say ye na yensam nkrofo de marital issues breye ye na nkrofo freye emudo omu nsam tue ne ye na nkrofo confide in us to tell us their secret in marriages no ya tena se hu say no if we sit down for marriages to just collapse just like that emwa because entimi nkoba sesebi be ma se ne yire entimi nya ne sex positions bi nti no wono oba na ijai no adenti na yen cancel oba adenti na yen kire oba se menua ba before so no kuru beda no try and do this romance him yeni say munkisi susoni mu yeni say ma hune so erect ma sex no enye enjoyable understand this is marriage where ye awarefo wuti aware mu a kehu se edie enya ade a wo se wo fere wom se wo ware a sebi don't feel shy say wo be busa okunu se sweetie enna me nyame di o sweetie wo on say e was here de tete aware ne to nchen ne adapt new life no there be come say me worry first no there were certain things na I did not know and I lacked it and me na me type bi na me ex-husband kra da wi I don't want him to see my nakedness me one me da kra na me person you doom light you understand because I feel shy because I don't want him to be seeing part of my body hey bear man aware so far as say waware wo de ma me bibia wo hu bia ye ne dia. Understand? But now no, we have learned certain things as yadom, and we are getting into our next marriages again. We will spice up our marriages. Enti minu ma mu tie me mesrew if unu kunote na there are certain sexual nyoma bi wo hon ma onye mana bomodin se obesha ase asua in life no we all learn. If we are say na yusua we do research ade bi wo ho na se wudni mu a the last time na me kire sex education ewo OJ fan club no na me kire sex education ewo OJ fan club na me ka bibi kire e man me ka kire say listen as a woman say sometimes you know unu kunu te wa na se o ka kire say sweetie na enu akra me hu sex position bi nti yesu yenye bia me hu anything bia ye boni wom. There are some sex positions you should learn it. You were cowgirl, you were ebony, you were doggy, you were one.